So what is the output of a given program? So what is the output of void main int error of some size 10, elements are 8, 18, 28, 38 and then 48. Int asterisk ptr. So ptr is equal to address of error of 0 plus ptr plus ptr plus asterisk ptr, then printf percentage d comma asterisk ptr. So what is the output of this program? Okay, so our execution is always starts from main method. Here the array size is 5, array name is arr, the memory is allocated for 5 elements. So 5 elements, first element is arr of 0, error of 1, error of 2, error of 3 and error of 4. Error of 1, error of 2, error of 3, error of 4. Here in some addresses, here I am taking the initial address is 500, next address is 502, next address is 504, 504, next address is 506, next address is 508. Continuous memory is allocated. Here the name of the array is arr. So name of the array is arr. Array name always gives pointing to first address. So these are the initial value is 5, 8, first value is 8, next value is 18, next value is 28, next value is 38, next value is 48. Next, int asterisk ptr. Here memory is allocated for ptr. Ptr is a pointer variable. So memory is allocated for variable name is ptr, some address I will take 600. So initial value is garbage value. Okay, next this statement is executed. Ptr is equal to address of error of 0. Error of 0 is 8. Address of error of 0 is 500. So this value is this garbage value is replaced with address of error of 0, that is 500. So this value is 500. Next, our ptr is pointing to this address. Okay, so next plus ptr. Whenever you are incrementing the ptr, it is pointing to next location. This is first variable, first location is 500, next location is 502. Whenever we are incrementing the pointer, it is pointing to the next address. So plus ptr means this one is replaced with (502). Now the ptr is pointing to this address. Next, this statement is executed plus ptr. That means ptr is pointing to next location. This is next location is 504. This memory is, this value is replaced with 504. Now the pointer is pointing to this location. Next, this statement is executed plus plus asterisk ptr. First asterisk ptr is executed, asterisk ptr. So what is ptr? Ptr is 504. Asterisk ptr means 504 address variable, that is ARR of 2. So here ARR of 2 plus plus, that means ARR of 2 plus plus means this value is increment by 1. So this value is 29. Next, this statement is executed, printf percentage d asterisk ptr. What is ptr? 504. What is asterisk ptr? Asterisk ptr means ptr is 504. Asterisk ptr means 504 address variable, that is ARR of 2. Indirectly ARR of 2 value is 29. So 29 is printed output. Okay. So we want to execute this code. So file name is array1.c f5 void main. Here I am declaring array of size 5. So assign the values 8, 18, 28, 38, 48. So int asterisk ptr. So clear the screen, clr scr. ptr is equal to address of ARR of 0. So plus plus ptr means ptr is pointing to next address, plus plus ptr plus plus asterisk ptr, and then printf percentage d comma address of asterisk ptr. So debug this code. Want to add watches of array name is ARR. So F7. So memory is allocated 5 elements. First element is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here ptr. So want to add ptr. So ptr default value is some garbage value. Now the address of ARR of 0 is stored in ptr. ffec plus plus ptr. Ptr value changed to next address. This value is changed to ffee. Next plus plus ptr. Next ptr is pointing to this address. This value is changed. Next asterisk ptr. Asterisk ptr means this address variable, that is ARR of 2 is increment by 1 value. This value is changed to 29. This value is changed to 29. So ptr is this address, asterisk ptr is this address variable, that is ARR of 2, value is 29. So F5, so output is 29. So please remember, the base address of an array and first element address of ARR of 0 both are same. So instead of I am writing address of ARR of 0, direct I am writing ARR, both are same. So alt F9, yes, F7. So A ptr, this value is changed to 29 and then 29, alt F5. Okay, so this is the array with pointers. Thank you for watching.